of course, a pencil. You need some kind of straight edge, doesn't have to be a square. You're going to need 2.5-inch screws, wood screws, a tape measure, a 2x8x8, a 2x4. I'm actually just using scrap, so I have 2, but this project really only needs 1. So you're gonna wanna get your tape measure out, measure 15.5 inches long, use your straight edge to mark the line. You're gonna do that 4 times. So now you should have 4 15.5-inch long leg posts and 4 braces. Now, since I know where my bench is going, I know that I want my bench to be 43 inches long. So you'll have to measure your space to determine how long you want yours to be. You've assembled your legs, space them out evenly on your 1x8s. Now make sure that these boards are flush. And mine, you'll have to measure yours individually, but mine are 1.75 inches from the edge on both sides. There she is. Just a basic bench, and now we're going to stain it.